guys, today we're making this giant peanut butter cup. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back.
Okay, so the ingredients for the giant Reese's peanut butter cup is going to be 2 cups of powdered sugar already sifted, half a cup of butter melted, 2 cups of peanut butter, and 4 cups of chocolate chips, but we've divided it evenly, so it's 2 cups in each bowl. Also, you'll need a 9-inch tart pan. This one has the bottom that comes out, so you can easily get it out of it without trying to pry it out, so we just went with the one with the bottom. First, we're going to just melt 1 bowl, so 2 cups of chocolate chips for 1 minute. Okay, so while that's melting in the microwave, we're gonna go ahead and mix the peanut butter, and powdered sugar. I have a small hand mixer. I just found it to be a lot easier than just mixing it by hand. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so you'll know it's done when it has this fluffy consistency. All of the ingredients should be mixed together. You want it to be very smooth. Nothing on the bottom. Make sure all the powdered sugar is mixed in. Okay, now you want to pour the melted chocolate into the tart pan. Once it's all in there, you want to smooth it out. And then I've just brought it up on the side so it gives it that classic Reese's peanut butter cup shape. You just want to make sure it's really smooth and even. Okay, so once you finish, you just want to pop it in the fridge for about 10 minutes or until it's hard. And then you can go ahead and put the peanut butter mixture in there.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we've just got the bottom out of the fridge. Now we're going to pour the peanut butter mixture into the pan. Take a spatula, spread it out. You just want to get it even around the entire pan. Okay, so when you're finished, it should be spread out pretty evenly throughout the pan. And the next step is going to be pour the other half of melted chocolate on top and cover all of the peanut butter and spread it out. Make sure you cover the top. We don't want any holes. After you have the top as smooth as you can get it, you want to put it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then your Reese's will be done.
The finished product.
Okay guys, so this is what a giant peanut butter cup looks like. Ooh la la!
And this is why you want the removable bottom. So easy, so beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you try making this giant peanut butter cup, comment down below and let us know.
Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you next time!
You kind of did it. Okay.
I burped.